Hello and welcome to our video on the top freelance skills that can help you make money online. Freelancing has become an increasingly popular way to earn a living in recent years, as the internet has made it easier than ever to work remotely and connect with clients from all around the world. In this video, we will discuss some of the most in-demand freelance skills that can help you start earning money online right away. 1. Writing. Writing is a skill that is always in demand. From writing blog posts and articles to crafting marketing copy and product descriptions, there are countless opportunities for freelance writers to earn money online. Many businesses and individuals need high-quality content for their websites, social media accounts, and other online platforms, and are willing to pay for it. If you have strong writing skills and enjoy crafting compelling and engaging content, then freelance writing may be a great option for you. To get started, you can create a portfolio of your work and start pitching to potential clients on freelance job boards or through your own website. 1. Graphic design. Graphic design is another in-demand freelance skill that can help you make money online. With so much content being shared online, businesses and individuals are always in need of eye-catching visuals to help their content stand out. From creating logos and branding materials to designing websites and social media graphics, there are countless opportunities for freelance graphic designers to earn a living online. If you have a creative eye and experience using design software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, then freelance graphic design may be a great option for you. You can showcase your portfolio on your website or on freelance job boards and start pitching to potential clients. 1. Website development. As more and more businesses move online, the demand for website developers continues to grow. If you have experience with web development languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then freelance website development may be a lucrative option for you. There are many platforms available for freelance web developers to find work, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also create your own website to showcase your portfolio and start reaching out to potential clients. 1. Social media management. Social media has become an integral part of many businesses' marketing strategies, and they often need help managing their accounts. If you have experience with social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, then freelance social media management may be a great option for you. As a freelance social media manager, you would be responsible for creating and scheduling content, responding to comments and messages, and analyzing performance metrics. You can showcase your experience on your website or on freelance job boards and start pitching to potential clients. 1. Video production. Video content is becoming increasingly popular online, and businesses and individuals are always in need of high-quality video production. If you have experience with video editing software like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, then freelance video production may be a great option for you. As a freelance video producer, you could create promotional videos, product demos, or explainer videos for clients. You can showcase your portfolio on your website or on freelance job boards and start pitching to potential clients. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many freelance skills that can help you make money online. From writing and graphic design to website development, social media management, and video production, there are countless opportunities for freelancers to earn a living from anywhere in the world. With the right skills, a strong portfolio, and a willingness to market yourself, you can start earning money as a freelancer today. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your freelance career.